Hello, this is Joe with the A.B.E Doors and Windows Showroom. Today I wanted to make a quick video on something pretty simple, but you'd be surprised how many questions we get here in the office. We get at least one call a week on this. Replacement keypads for your garage door opener. You do need to replace a battery in here. It's usually a 9-volt battery, and usually the cover is right in the front for easy access. You can do this when the keypad is mounted on the wall. You don't have to remove it most of the time, but you would just pull this pad down, you would remove this 9-volt battery here, and install a new one. Sometimes these can be a little tricky to remove, so we'd recommend using a flathead just to wiggle it around, give it a twist, and that should help you out to pop this lid off and replace this battery in here. If for whatever reason your keypad still doesn't work after that, you might need to reprogram it. If you have issues with that, just give us a call and we'll gladly get it taken care of for you with a service call. Thank you for watching today. I hope you have a good one.